In this video, we'll look at all the results and reports from the design of a retaining wall. Let's start with a reinforced design. After the wall layout input is complete, hit Draw the Wall, click Reinforce Design, and the design window will pop up showing the retaining wall layout. You can look at the retaining wall layout here, or if you hit Save, you can then open the wall in AutoCAD. It'll show the geogrid lengths and bearing capacities at the bottom where the change is, and show all the different blocks with the location of geogrid layers in all elevations. You can see MagnumStone standard blocks, standard base blocks, top blocks that are half high, half width blocks, and corner units. If we go back to the main window, you'll see this Quantities tab that shows the number of each block in the wall. It also shows the wall area, the amount of backfill needed behind the wall, and for reinforced designs, it includes the geogrid area. If you go to Reinforced Design, you can see that design is set up into sections for each portion of the retaining wall where the wall cross-section differs. You can look at any cross-section and have the same options that were shown in the previous video for creating a cross-section. You can also choose a cross-section and look at the global stability. If we draw the wall and hit Gravity Design, we can see that the design window shows a similar retaining wall layout, with extended units rather than geogrid. You can see MagnumStone standard blocks that are half high, half width blocks, corner units, the 48-inch units that consist of the standard block and 24-inch extender, the 72-inch units with the standard block and 48-inch extender, and larger units that combine the two extenders. And it indicates which blocks utilize the base blocks rather than the standard MagnumStone block. In the quantities, the sum of each specific unit is included in the table. If you hit Save to Excel, you can have all of this exported into a spreadsheet. Or if you want the quantities included in a full estimation report, you can go to File, Print Estimate with Elevation View, and it'll create a report with a plan, wall layout, soil properties, quantities, a description of the outputs, and wall layout information. You can also create an analysis report showing their calculations for a cross-section. If you choose a cross-section and then hit File, Print Design, Long, a report shows the input values, bearing loads, structural properties, force details, and other calculation results. That covers all the results and reports for retaining wall design. If you have any questions or concerns with using the software, you can go to the Cornerstone Wall Solutions website and hit Software Support in the software page.